hooking up this GPS. This Avenger. As you see, I pulled down. I got this red and I got the black hooked up to the red wire and the black wire. It's pretty easy. You just pop out the code reader out the slot using a flathead. To show you the car I'm doing it for is an Avenger. I took the sticker, it comes with a sticker on the back. I took the sticker off and I always put it on the steering wheel. That's so they'll be able to log it in. So your next step is after you got your main wire hooked up, which is this wire, it's a dot on the back of there. You see that dot right there? That's what you want to line up to your clip when you plug it up. So next you want to plug it up and make sure it powers on. Wait and see, do you get a light to come on? There we go. That's how you know you done hooked it up right. So once you got that done, you want to pop this back into place. So basically, you want to take these wire, put that behind there. And it's easy, just go in from one side and tilt it in there, like that. You get it in one side first, other side automatic pop right on in. And you pop this in and you hide it in the dash. And I'm gonna take this, and it's just that simple. Any questions, comments, just ask me, I can walk you through it. Thanks.